Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated the 20th of June 2022. Benchmark indices ended on positive note in the highly volatile session on June 20th. At close, the Nifty was up 56.70 points at 15,350.20. The index lower end support stands at 15,200 and immediate resistance is placed at 15,450. A break on either side will lead to trending moves. The resistance, if taken out, can witness a rally towards 15,800 levels. At close, the Sensex was up 237.42 points or 0.46% at 51,597.84. BSE Mid-Cap Index shed 1.4% and Small-Cap Index fell 3%. A number of stocks rose in excess of 10% on BSE as domestic equity indices, BSE Sensex and NSE Nifty, ended in the green on Monday. On the stock-specific front, HDFC was the top Nifty gainer as the stock soared 3.93% to 2,133.35 Indian rupees. Hindustan Unilever, Britannia, were also among the gainers. Reason could be seen looking at the sectoral front. FMCG stocks were trading higher on Monday as investors turned positive on the space owing to a number of factors including globally coordinated efforts to tame inflation, price hikes taken by companies like HUL and most importantly because the monsoon is picking up pace. The top laggards in today's market was ONGC, Tata Steel, UPL. Shares of oil industries stock fell on June 20th, tracking the sharp sell-off in global crude oil prices. Rising bets of a recession in the US and the European Union over the next 12 months along with slowing demand in China has forced traders to pare their optimism for the commodity despite persistent supply-side issues. In terms of today's corporate news, we have the following developments. In the past, Vodafone Idea has been on the hunt for investors to raise fresh capital to pay down its debt and invest in its network after returning from the brink of bankruptcy following help from the government. Vodafone Idea's current financing strategy is for the Vodafone Group to provide up to 500 rupees crore. Vodafone Idea directors will carry out the strategy by issuing equity shares or convertible warrants to one or more Vodafone Group entities on a preferential basis. Reportedly, e-commerce behemoth Amazon is interested in investing up to 20,000 rupees crore in the ailing telecom provider. For the next news we have, Thoothukudi residents protested an expansion proposal in May 2018 on environmental concerns. The AIADMK government closed the factory after violent demonstrations. Vedanta fought the state's decision to shut the facility in court. The case is in Supreme Court now, after Vedanta appealed against a Madras High Court's decision to dismiss its plea to reverse the original order of the state pollution regulator closing the plant. Now, Vedanta has invited expression of interest for its Tuticorin-based smelter, which has been shut since mid-2018, following a state government order. The last day to submit the expression of interest is July 4th, and the bids have been invited in conjunction with Axis Capital. Currently, it is trading 43.69% below its 52-week high and 2.31% above its 52-week low. For the next news we have, the drug maker on Saturday announced that its board has approved acquisition of 51% stake in Hyderabad-based GLS Pharma for a cash consideration of 28.05 rupees crore. Reason the investment is undertaken was to increase the company's position in the local oncology sector and to boost inorganic capacity and revenues. For the future outlook, GLS has an India-centric approach with pan-India availability in more than 400 institutions. For the future outlook, GLS has an India-centric approach with pan-India availability in more than 400 institutions. Last but not the least, we have the two subsidiaries of L&T had last month announced a megamerger to create an efficient and scaled-up IT services provider, exceeding $3.5 billion in combined revenue. The amalgamation process of L&T Infotech and Mindtree is likely to be completed by December, and during this period, both the companies will continue to operate independently. At present, there is recessionary fears among the customers, but according to the statement provided by senior official, L&T Infotech will increase its footprint across multiple cities and several locations are under evaluation for setting up new offices. For more information, you can contact us from the details mentioned on the screen via missed call, WhatsApp or email. Please do like, share, and subscribe the video to get the latest updates about the market. Thank you for listening till the end. That is all for today. See you tomorrow.